guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. So you asked for Pixelflow's what's of Pixelflow use and how to use it and make your intro and outro. So today I'll just tell you how to use it, and then you can also create your intros and outros for YouTube videos. And yeah, it's extremely free and it's a premium version. So let's get started. So you can see I have just given you the Pixelflow link or just the Pixelflow APK, so just use it. And there's no login, nothing. So see, you can see different types of templates here, and if you wanna make anything like it's for your technology, minimal design, general, and gaming also, if you are having a gaming YouTube channel, so you can just use it like this. Okay, let me show you this one. So this one, yeah, it also provides a preview, so if you want to use that, you can use it easily. So wait, let's get started. Okay, so first it will just download some of the files which you have to wait them to download, and now let us also get them started downloading. Okay, so you have seen that download, it has just completed. And Pixelflow is not a very heavy or challenging task. It's a very probably small thing that anyone can do. So yes, you can see here, first it tells your name, like for example I write unknown hacker. Yes, I write unknown hacker. Okay, so it's my this, and see, you can also change the element or the color according to you, and it's all up to you. And now after this you can select the size and then where to move it, left, right, so it's up to you. And yeah, also above and down. Pixelflow is a very good app if you want to make some videos for YouTube, and yeah, it provides HD quality videos, so it is easy and best. Okay, so you can check the preview here. See, it's looking cool, and if you just try Pixelflow, you'll also gain many followers if I'm thinking correct. So then what you have to do, just export and slow in render if you want the highest quality, which is 1080p. So just click on that, and yeah, it's rendering. Just wait for that, and now after that we'll check out it. Yes, so you have seen that the Pixelflow has just completed making its intro, and yes, now just you can replay it. It looks like this. Okay, so it is easy to use and would also help you gain many functions. And if you want any other APK mod or premium, please let us know in the WhatsApp group. We'll help you download it. So thank you guys. Bye.